Did you know a king once ordered his soldiers to whip the ocean itself? In 480 BCE, Xerxes ruled the largest empire on earth, commanding millions of warriors. His engineers spent months building a massive bridge of boats across the Hellespont Strait. This floating marvel would carry his entire army from Asia to Europe to conquer Greece. But just before the invasion, a violent storm struck. The sea destroyed the entire bridge in one night, shattering months of work. Xerxes was furious. He ordered 300 lashes to be given to the water itself. Soldiers actually carried out this bizarre command, whipping the waves while their king watched. Then he had iron shackles thrown into the strait to enslave the sea. This wasn't strategy. This was madness. A man so drunk on power, he believed he could punish nature itself. That same arrogance would lead to his crushing defeat at the hands of a few thousand Greeks. Sometimes the greatest enemy of absolute power is absolute power itself.